Day one of PlannerCon, guys. I am so excited and so tired because I stayed up last night making swaps. Day one, first session.
I grew up Southern Baptist and I'm used to an amen.
Amen.
And if you're not someone of faith, I'm used to a hell yeah. Can you feel me?
Amen.
All right, I'm so excited to be here. As Louise said, she reached out to me last year to come and speak, and my son turned 9, and I turned it down, and I feel like we are totally the underdogs in this industry. Yep. We are the new people in this industry. And I have a feeling a lot of you feel like you're kind of the new person in what you're trying to do.
And we just had come to a conclusion that something's got to give. And we knew that wasn't going to be our film. So in 2016, we made the scary decision and I quit my full-time job so that we could run our obviously not a small home business anymore, to do that. Just because our family was important to us. And we had to make sure that we could prioritize it.
Showing how wet it is here. So she puts a piece of cardboard under it to keep the page from, leaking the water. But after she's done, there will be no color on the bottom of it. So if you were like, I'm afraid to do this, it's good. It's all good.
What do the pages feel like afterwards? Do they feel like water damage, or is it still straight and smooth?
Yeah, no, they're little ripples. So again, I mean, it's not obnoxiously so, but they're not clean, crisp, and never wrinkled. They have a little of that feeling to them. So you should look. There are some people who are like, I cannot do this in my Bible. I can't. So 2 things that I would suggest. One is get a journaling Bible and then go nuts. Art it up. And then use your reading Bible for reading. The other possibility is not to do it in the Bible and use it in your faith journal or your planner and do it. There's something meditative about it, isn't there?
We do listen. We listen on social. We hear you. So I think these sort of came out just from a need of people saying, are you ever going to come out with a gratitude journal, or are you ever going to come out with some way that we can track, what we're eating or how many steps we're taking? And we really realized that there, was a really big opportunity.
Washi, paper clips.
Oh, I have to look in that too.
If you didn't bring a swab, you can go ahead and take them.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Take as many as you want.
All right, hello.
And help me welcome to the stage the one, the only Erin Condren. Welcome everybody to PlannerCon. Oh my gosh, you're number 2 back here in Northern California. I mean, this year went by so fast.
But I think in hearing a lot of different mentors recently, and I think you guys have all heard of this trend of like YOLO, you only live once, and do what you love what you do, or leave it. And I gotta tell you, I'm more of the practical side where I like to preach, don't quit your daydream. And take the paycheck while you're at it. You take a job, guys. You take something, we all can get nuggets of knowledge or some experience from a job that we don't even love. Early in my career, I was in apparel, and there was some time when I just worked in a company that I couldn't stand. I didn't like my boss. But I knew while I was there that there was an opportunity to learn about cost sheets and profit margins, inventory and production and fulfillment and all those things that would make me valuable for a minute.
Maybe like collaboration. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
only way that you can get them is by being at PlannerCon. So everyone who sees you with it, everyone who sees it on Facebook, everyone that says, pick one up for me, the answer is no. Because they are very limited, they are exclusive, and the only one who has them is me. Except that now that you're about to get one too. My team is ready. There is one to every person. Because as I said, these are limited. These were ordered months, if not a year ago. Never dreaming or knowing we were going to sell out like we did. So please understand, one per person. And my team, are they ready to come up?